Hello there! Today is going to be a fun session as we are going to make a hippopotamus. Well, have you seen a hippopotamus in a real life? That's alright. This is how it looks and let's make our hippo together. At first, we are going to make an oval. Let's keep it in the center but at the bottom part of the page. After that, let's make these two curves right here and then a very big oval. Once we are done with that, let's make these lines and a curve right here. Let's make its ears here. And then start making the front part of the face. It is going to look something like this. Let's make a beautiful curve over here and join it here. After that, let's make the eyes. That's beautiful. Once we are done with that, we will make the ears. And then make the drawing fair. Yes, by making the lines a little darker and completing the leg part. So let's make it nicely. Yes, it makes the skin looks more realistic. Finally, let's make the tail and now it's time for us to sketch it. Let's go right on top of the pencil marks so that we don't make any mistake. We will go slow and complete the entire picture in a similar way. It is completely alright if your drawing looks a little different from the one mentioned in the book. We can take the creative liberty and make our hippo look even better. Let's sketch this entire thing in a similar way. This looks beautiful, isn't it? We still see a lot of pencil marks right here after sketching. Let's take our eraser and erase all those parts. Once we are done with that, we will take different shades of grey. Currently, we have taken a darker shade of grey and now we will highlight all the parts which are dark first. Yes, this is where the shadow is forming. Now, let's take a lighter shade of grey and create this tint. We can also blend it with our darker grey like this. Highlight these parts and now take a light shade of grey and blend all the colors together. This is going to give us a very beautiful shading effect. Do the outline slowly and nicely and try following only one direction to color the entire body. You can move the book however you like. Be comfortable while coloring and make sure that your elbow is placed right on top of the table for your comfort. Let's add a little color of pink and look at that! Our hippo or hippopotamus is ready.